angle of friction. Let us consider a body placed on the surface. The various forces acting are its weight mg acting downward, normal reaction r in up direction. Let us consider that we apply force in this direction and the body is at the just verge of motion, so force of limiting friction is in this direction. Now the resultant of R and F is say R dash. The angle between resultant of limiting force of friction and normal reaction, this is called the angle of friction. Now we join these. Here this is O, say A, B, C. OA equal to CB, that is F. Now tangent theta, we know that perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is F and base is R. We know that coefficient of friction is F over R, or F is equal to mu S R. We put the value of F here, we get mu S R over R. R cancel, so tangent theta equal to mu S. So coefficient of static friction is equal to tangent of angle of friction. Angle of repose. Let us consider a body lying on the inclined plane. The various forces are its weight mg acting downward and normal reaction in this direction. Let alpha be the angle made by the inclined plane with the horizontal surface such that the body is just at the verge of sliding down. Here the angle of repose is the minimum angle made by the inclined plane with the horizontal surface such that the body lying on the inclined plane is just at the verge of sliding down along the inclined plane. Here, if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Now, component of mg along this direction is mg cos of alpha, and along this direction is mg sine of alpha. Here this is the force of friction in this direction. Here we know that there is no motion along this direction, so net force acting is 0. We have R minus mg cos of alpha equal to 0, or R equal to mg cos of alpha. This is equation number 1. Here also there is no motion along this direction, so net force acting is 0. So we have mg sine of alpha minus F equal to 0, or F equal to mg sine of alpha. This is equation 2. Now we know that coefficient of static friction is F over R. Putting the value of F and R, we get mg sine of alpha over mg cos of alpha. Mg cancel, so we have mu s equal to tangent of alpha. So here coefficient of static friction is tangent of angle of repose. Now we know that mu s is equal to tangent of angle of friction. Say this is a third equation, and coefficient of static friction equal to the tangent of angle of repose, say 4. From third and fourth we have tangent theta equal to tangent alpha, or we get theta is equal to alpha. So it means angle of repose is equal to the angle of friction. Numerical 1. A metallic block of mass 2 kg is placed on the horizontal surface. The block just begins to slide down as the plane surface is inclined at an angle of 15 degree. Calculate the coefficient of friction between the surface and the block. Solution. Here this diagram is given. Here weight of the body is acting downward and normal reaction in this direction. The component of mg along this direction is mg cos of theta, and along this direction is mg sin theta. As the body is just verge of motion, so force of friction is in this direction. Here angle of repose is given, that is 15 degree. This is the angle of repose as the body is just on the verge of motion. Now we know that there is no motion along this direction, so net force acting along this direction is 0. So we have r minus mg cos of theta equal to 0, or r equal to mg cos of theta. This is equation number 1. Here also we know that there is no force acting along this direction, so we have mg sin theta minus fs equal to 0, or fs is equal to mg sin of theta. This is the equation 2nd. Now we know that coefficient of static friction is Fs over R. Put the value of Fs and R. Fs is mg sin of theta and R is mg cos of theta. Mg cancel, so we have mu s equal to tangent theta. Theta we know it is given 15 degree, so mu s is equal to tangent of 15 degree. Answer. Also we can write the value of tangent 15 degree equal to 0.27 from the table. From table of tangent, the value of tangent 50 degree is equal to 0.27, or mu s is equal to 0.27. Answer. Numerical 2. A body weighing 20 kg just slides down a rough inclined plane that rises 5 in 12. What is the coefficient of friction? Solution. Here plane that rises 5 in 12, meaning here its perpendicular is 5 and here hypotenuse is 12. Now angle of repose is given as the body just on the verge of motion, so angle of repose is theta. We know that relation between coefficient of friction and angle of repose is mu equal to tangent of theta. This is equation number 1. Now we know that tangent theta is perpendicular over base. Here we don't know the value of a base. Now applying the Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square, or OA square equal to 144 minus 25, that is 119, or OA is under root 119. So perpendicular is 5 and base is under root 119, or we have mu equal to 5 over 119. On solving, we get its value equal to 0.46. So coefficient of friction is 0.46.